first reaction coming in from the Gandhi Parivar. You have a reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi, who has, after this attack which came in from the Prime Minister blaming Nehru for the Indus Water Treaty, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has now hit back. She has said that this is nothing but a diversionary tactic. That's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. Priyanka Gandhi saying that this is a diversionary tactic.
और ये तो अफिडेविट जो ये मांग रहे हैं, ये तो बिल्कुल फिजूल की बात है। जैसे ही अफिडेविट आएगा वो बोलेंगे कि 45 दिनों के बाद दिया है तो ये उसको रद्द कर देंगे। तो ये सब सॉरी, लेकिन ये सब बकवास है। सच्चाई उनके सामने है, सबके सामने है। सच्चाई का जवाब दें। ये सब क्यों हुआ? 100 लोग जीरो एड्रेस पे क्यों हैं? इतने सारे लोग इकट्ठे एक एड्रेस में कैसे हैं? ये सब चीजें, जितने भी सवाल उठाए हैं राहुल जी ने, उनका जवाब दे नहीं पा रहे हैं। इसलिए पहले तो नेहरू जी की बात करेंगे, इंदिरा जी की बात करेंगे, अफिडेविट की बात करेंगे, शपथ की बात करेंगे। जो मुद्दे उठाए उनका जवाब दें ना।
Well, there you have it. Priyanka Gandhi taking this issue of Indus water, and if indeed it was Nehru's mistake, as the Prime Minister has alleged, in gifting away 80% of Indus waters to Pakistan, Priyanka Gandhi says, forget about the Indus water, why not answer the questions which have been raised by Rahul Gandhi over vote chori? The SIR exercise which was carried out by the Election Commission in Bihar. Priyanka Gandhi went to the extent of saying that these are diversionary subjects and topics which are being picked up by the Prime Minister. Let me go across to Mohit. Mohit, interesting reaction. Priyanka Gandhi neither admits or denies to it, but she says that don't divert from the issue of vote chori. Clearly, that's an easier subject that Congress would rather speak about.
Well, yes, after the adjournment of the Parliament, of the Lok Sabha, Priyanka Gandhi came out, and while she was speaking to the media, this question was specifically asked about how Prime Minister Narendra Modi attacked former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru over the Indus Water Treaty, and then she started speaking about how the vote chori is taking place, how Rahul Gandhi, according to her, is asking relevant questions, and whenever such questions are being asked, the name of Nehru and Indira Gandhi are being brought in by the BJP and the government as diversionary tactics. So what we see is that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, while speaking on the allegations that have been leveled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, said that these are diversionary tactics.
Absolutely.
When the questions
Calling it diversionary tactics, it's important for our viewers to listen in once again to exactly what Priyanka Gandhi had said. So here it is.
और ये तो अफिडेविट जो ये मांग रहे हैं, ये तो बिल्कुल फिजूल की बात है। जैसे ही अफिडेविट आएगा वो बोलेंगे कि 45 दिनों के बाद दिया है तो ये उसको रद्द कर देंगे। तो ये सब सॉरी, लेकिन ये सब बकवास है। सच्चाई उनके सामने है, सबके सामने है। सच्चाई का जवाब दें। ये सब क्यों हुआ? 100 लोग जीरो एड्रेस पे क्यों हैं? इतने सारे लोग इकट्ठे एक एड्रेस में कैसे हैं? ये सब चीजें, जितने भी सवाल उठाए हैं राहुल जी ने, उनका जवाब दे नहीं पा रहे हैं। इसलिए पहले तो नेहरू जी की बात करेंगे, इंदिरा जी की बात करेंगे, अफिडेविट की बात करेंगे, शपथ की बात करेंगे। जो मुद्दे उठाए उनका जवाब दें ना।
Well, there you have it. The first reaction coming in from the Gandhi Nehru Parivar saying stop blaming Nehru and speak about the issues raised regarding vote chori. Well, with that, a short break. Don't go anywhere. Lots more on the...
She asks